My name is Mike Burns. They call me the VA mortgage expert simply because I've done thousands of VA loans. I've had branches of 60 plus employees, 40 plus loan officers, all doing 95% VA transactions. So we would do purchases, cash out refinance, and streamline refinances. Been doing it since 2004. It's a long time, and there's not much I haven't seen as far as a VA loan goes. So as far as making sure that you qualify and knowing the hoops that you need to jump through and knowing what obstacles to avoid if they're avoidable, that's kind of where the expertise and the knowledge and experience comes into place. My recommendation right now is that if you're interested in looking into a VA loan, that you get your information into me so I can review it as quickly as possible, and then we can get you a loan approval, and then we can kind of monitor rates and see what happens and kind of decide when the best time to lock in your rate would be. But if you wait, then the lowest rates in history boat may sail. It's been here for the last probably 2.5 months, but it's also been extremely volatile. So we've seen it go up a full point overnight and then come back down a week later. So if you want to take advantage of the lowest rates in history, then you need to get your application in as soon as possible. And then, like I said, we can float your rate and we can kind of buy the dip, as they say, because I monitor rates on a daily basis and I pretty much know what's happening before it actually happens. So just like the stock market, brokers know what's happening in the stock market before the guy on the street buying stocks does. It's the same thing in the mortgage industry. We kind of know where rates are going in general, and then we kind of know what's causing spikes and drops in rates, so we're able to be prepared for when those times come.